Hi everybody, this is Yanni Collins and welcome back to Oz Living, where we bring you crypto news and conversations from only the sharpest minds in this space. And with me today is Jay Ko. He's one of the founding members of Asia Blockchain Association. He is an international business developer for emerging markets and tech with a focus on startup activities. He's also an investment consultant and advisor in the areas of blockchain, DeFi, NFTs, Metaverse, Gamefi, ICOs, you name it. So Jay, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Hope.
Yeah, and for those who don't know, I actually had the pleasure of meeting you last night at the Circle networking event, so that was pretty fun. And it's crazy to see and experience firsthand how collaborative the community that you have here in Singapore and how frequently you have these networking events. So that was really fun and crazy. So now, can we start with your background? Tell us a bit about yourself, the many hats that you wear, and how you got involved with blockchain.
Oh, okay. Actually, I started in 2017. Actually, it's about half of 2017 we started. We saw the hype or craze on the ICO. Then I started, me and my teams started to look at the projects that's growing hype on the projects. So we started, wow, it's quite a good way to raise fund for traditional project. Because we have experience in raising fund for the Web 2 in the past, the traditional type. So I feel that this is much more easier and faster, okay, to raise fund using cryptocurrency compared to we used to raise funds through the traditional route from the shares option.
Right.
Yeah, that's how we started. And we started to study the different type of projects on the white paper, the business model, and including the NPV, and also realize that actually raising fund do not need the product to be out. You can just write a very good conceptualized white paper, and everybody start to raise fund from there.
Yeah. So how are these companies right now? Are they still alive? Like these companies that you managed and overseen back in 2017?
Yes. Actually, during that period, a lot of project has been going up to raise funds using this method, and most of them did not survive. Did not happen to be. In fact, none of them that I have gone through with them has also until this stage.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, because most of them do not have any product.
No use case.
No
real
use
world
case.
use case at all.
Nothing else. They have a very fantastic idea, very nice idea. Then they just pen it down in the white paper, beautiful website, and they start to pitch. Beautiful pitching, raise fund. It's quite easy to raise. 1-2 million is quite easy to verify for each project. But to execute the products and the marketing and the user acquisition is not that easy. Yeah. So over the times, of course, the project fall off because of mismanagement or the usage of the fund run lows. That's part of the reason. That's why it did not sustain. Most of them discontinue the project maybe 1 year, 2 years, the max.
And they're done.
Yes, they're done. But of course, they're over the years. There are always new projects keep coming to do.
Do you think that projects who don't have any like actual use case, do you think that builders are still going that direction, or like more bad actors in the space, or is that like dying down over time?
Actually, without any use case, without any product, it's very difficult to sustain right now, especially at this crypto winter time. Investors are very smart right now. They are very, very, very selective of projects, and to actually put investment, they will have gone through the very thorough with the products. Even right now, they are also very thorough with the team behind. They do due diligence on the team. In fact, some requested to speak personally to the founders before they make a decision to not the 2017 craze, like just look at the white paper and just invest blindly. So the process of investing right now become a bit longer because the due diligence on the team, the communities, the product. So if you do not have any product or MPV, I think it's very tough. They will not look at it at all. So you have to really build before you request for funding or investor.
I want to bring you back to crypto winter. What is your approach to this, turbulent market conditions? What do you think about where the global economy is heading? How cold is it going to get from here? What is your take on this?
For crypto winter is part of the cycle because we know the cycle it always comes with the up and downs. So the crypto winter is part of the cycle. So I always advise people right now crypto winter what should we do for projects especially. So I always tell them crypto window has its advantage also. You can start to build during crypto winter. So focus on building the product to have better product. If you already have a product, you should upgrade your product to have a better MPV. Build your communities to have more bigger communities to acquire bigger base of user base to use case back more. Even you can start to do marketing to let people awareness on your product. It'll be better. So these are advantage. So when the time comes when the bull market comes, you are already well known because people knows that you are there when it's crypto winter.
Right.
So in the bull time, people have more confidence. It may take 2 years, 3 years for the winter to be over. Possible, I'm not sure. But when the winter is over, it's your time to shine.
Yeah, totally. I get it. And I truly love hearing people when they view this crypto winter as a more of an optimistic, path for builders to actually create and scale up. And so now talking about ABA, tell us more about ABA and how it has grown since you founded it.
Oh, I'm just one of the founding members. Of course, the main for Asia Blockchain Association, the main core actually is three core values we have. One of them is create, connect, and collaborate.
Yes.
That's what we do and it's also inter-country communities that we are building also, not only for Singapore, it's actually the whole Asia that we are actually focusing on.
Whole Asia.
Yes.
Could you give examples of events that you've thrown and partnered with, which companies are these companies?
Yes. Actually, we started with a partnership with quite a number of events. Actually, for the past 1 month plus 2 months, we have already partnered the events. We participate in events like starting with Blockfest, followed by Crypto Expo. Then last week we are at the World Blockchain Summit. In fact, the World Blockchain Summit we have two ministers on board with us.
Wow.
To attend the event. One of them is a private section. So we also been invited to go to Indonesia with the minister, Dr. Jerry, the Minister of Trade. Yeah.
Tell me more about the history of blockchain here in Singapore. How was the community grown? Like maybe the attitude towards crypto are more getting involved in crypto, or are they more open to getting into this blockchain tech?
In Singapore, actually, I will classify Singapore as a hub. So not only for Singapore projects, actually many overseas projects love to come to Singapore to actually exhibit or even to showcase the product. Very, very good hub. So, and because of the maybe regulatory, they love to be, because they are well protected. Was one way. Of course, you have to comply with all the rules and regulation, terms and regulation. So I do manage quite a lot of projects, which is advise a lot of projects which is overseas. They love to be showcased their project in Singapore to the world, even though they are not from Singapore.
Would you say that there are more and more companies who are eyeing Singapore to set up shop here, rather than those companies who have set up shop here and flew away?
Yes.
More
yes.
and more.
More. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I think yesterday event you also met a lot of projects that is from overseas. Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Very diverse culture as well.
Yes.
Coming from different backgrounds and colors and countries, and it's so great to experience that. If you think about the real practical use cases of blockchain, ultimately, what is the product that people want today?
I think if it will be a good case if it's a daily use case product. That means you can use it daily.
Yes, exactly.
I think if somebody make a product that's daily use case, I think it will be very good. Things that we use daily. So, for example, communication that we communicate daily using our chat, WhatsApp or whatever, or Telegram. It's a daily use that every day they were using. Recently, I met projects. They build a chat through the blockchain case. So they want to try to using the Web3 version to actually make a daily using a chat. So if you chat with whoever, you actually can gain some rewards through the tokens.
Yeah, totally.
Yes. Something like that.
Similar to NFTs, right? Like
Yes.
play to earn gaming.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I want to quickly touch upon this because we're seeing a shift right now, and mainly in the play to earn gaming field. And soon enough, we're going to see like watch to earn, learn to earn, and all of that. Like, how do you see the world would look like when those are implemented and already up and running?
I think that will attract more user. Like for example, the play to earn model is actually attracted some of the Web 2 to Web 3 for the traditional gamers to the Web 3 gamers. So right now we also see move to run to earn, move to earn, chat to earn, watch to earn, many. So that's to attract the Web 2 to Web 3. So hopefully we have more user base because right now the communities for the Web 3 is still considered small at this point of time. So I hope one day we'll actually take up more percentage.
So how do we entice people to move into the adoption of Web3?
I think one of the key factor is education. Huge education because we still have a lot of people do not understand the concept or how to use, how to purchase currency or purchase the digital assets, even purchase the NFT, for example. So the education part is a very important factor to let people aware the values, how is it being done, the process of purchasing, the process of using it. That's very important to actually expand the use case.
Are there any Web3 projects right now that have stood out for you and you think is going to be the next big thing?
There are many projects that I've gone through, to be very frank. Standing up, I'm not sure because it takes time for them to prove for the use case.
Exactly.
Most of the project, when they pitch, they will see that they are the best at that point of time, to be very frank. Then we have to look at their community size and the use case and how long they can last, to be very frank. So that's what we are looking at.
And now when we talk about Oz, where do you stand in our Oz project? What do you think about what are your thoughts?
Oz is a very, very interesting project. I've been for the past 5 years, and I feel Oz Finance, the project is really very amazing because it really helps people to actually get the tax discount. Use the word. Is it called tax discount? Yeah.
Tax reduction.
Tax discount, tax relief. Oh, this is amazing. I mean, for people who have a high tax issue, they actually will enjoy this rebate. And the best part of it is they do not need to pay any fee. It's just to stake the Oz token.
That is so true.
So this is amazing platform. I will use the word. Amazing platform.
Thank you so much for your feedback, and thank you so much, Jay, for this wonderful conversation.
Thanks
I really enjoyed it,
for the
and I would
interview.
love to have you again in the future.
Thank you.